we are life creatures.
Food is one of the basic human needs in addition to shelter, clothing, and education. One form of food source is in the form of snack like crackers. Cracker is a nutritious snack made primarily from flour, water, and various flavorings. You can add other ingredients to enhance its nutritional value. We choose to develop a new variety of healthy crackers because we observe that nowadays, children are fond of eating a snack. And parents out there are having a hard time to feed their children healthy food. So this study may help the parents and to those people that are health conscious. Plus, it can be easily made as long as we have the ingredients, the materials, and procedures that we will be discussed later on. As I've said a while ago, you can add other ingredients to enhance its nutritional value. One of the promising candidates is incorporating sargassum seaweed. Sargassum seaweed is a type of brown algae belonging to Sargassaceae family that spends its life on the ocean surface and floats in large masses. We call it aragan in my hometown at Gonzaga, Cagayan, and you often see it when you go to the sea or to beach resort. We choose sargassum seaweed as the main ingredient of our crackers because we want to promote it because it has low demand on our market, and I know for sure you don't know this type of seaweed either. So this study is helpful so that this type of seaweed will be known not just in this community but to all over the world. And as we dig deeper, we found out that it has so many health benefits and it will be discussed by the skin alone. Some health benefits of sargassum seaweed. It is rich in iron, which helps the body to produce thyroid hormones, which is a key component for bones and brains during pregnancy and early childhood. It also avoids goiter. For omega-3 fatty acids, for cardiovascular health, fibers for healthy immune system, amino acids for health breakdown food, and vitamins and minerals for healthy immune system, and biologically active compounds such as terpenoids, flavonoids, esters, and others serve as analgesics such as anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-tumors, and others. One of the reasons also why we conducted this study is that we want to help the community that is struggling with excessive use of sargassum seaweed. It is considered a problem because sometimes it generates a harmful zone on the ocean by removing oxygen from the water. So in short, it disrupts the marine ecosystem. Sometimes also it releases toxic odor when decomposing on the sun, hindering those economies that depend on fishing just as their source of tourist income. So instead of letting it go to waste, they can utilize it, make it as a cracker for them to have a food source or for them to have an extra income. So let's move to our statement of the problem. So the statement of the problem. Generally, this study aims to develop a product incorporating sargassum seaweed in products. Different preparation methods. Specifically, it aims to answer the following question. What is the demographic profile of the respondents in terms of age and gender? What is the sensory acceptability of the product according to its taste, texture, appearance, and aroma? And lastly, what are the respondents' moments and suggestions to the sargassum seaweed transmission?
For the methodology, we use experimental method for our research design. Country data treatment. Treatment 1, fresh sargassum seaweed. Treatment 2, cooked sargassum seaweed. And treatment 3, dry sargassum seaweed. For our sampling procedures, we use stratified random sampling because our respondents are divided into two groups: age that has 5 categories and gender that has 2 categories. The part of this study, we conducted this study at Luna Apayao, and we conducted a case test from 15 individuals whose age is 10 years old, and that age is typically possesses a more developed palate, and they provide more feedback, reliable feedback about taste, hear, taste, appearance, and aroma. We use simple questionnaires for our research instruments for data gathering. Simple questionnaire was distributed to 50 respondents to determine the sensory for the treatment ingredients, as you can see on the screen, all of the treatments have the same measurement, but the only difference is that treatment 1 we use fresh seaweed, treatment 2 we use cooked sargassum seaweed, and treatment 3 we use dried sargassum seaweed. In treatment procedure, all of the treatments almost have the same procedure, but the only difference is that treatment 1 we wash the seaweed first and then puree it using the blender. In treatment 2, we wash the seaweed first and then cook in boiling water for about 10 minutes and puree it when it cools down. In treatment 3, we wash the seaweed first and then sun dry it in 6 hours and dehydrate it in 2 hours in 70 degrees Celsius and dry it using the blender.
Further presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data.
For the demographic profile of respondents, the distribution of respondents according to their age and gender groups, the respondents equally distributed, the balance of representation across different age and gender of groups determine potential bias contributing to a more comprehensive evaluation for sargassum seaweed process.
This is the summary of sensory evaluation results. For taste acceptability, treatment 2 got the highest mean score of 8.26 classified as light extremely. It indicates that it is the most favorable taste among the treatments, and treatment 1 got the least score of 7.88 classified as light very much. It indicates that it is acceptable, but as to the comments of our respondents, it is not also. For texture acceptability, treatment 3 got the highest mean score of 8.26 classified as light extremely. It indicates that the treatment 3 is the crunchiest among the treatment, while treatment 1 and treatment 2 got 8.1 and 8.02 mean score. It indicates that it is also crunchy, but not that crunchy compared to the treatment 3. You can taste it sa mga karas na dito. For aroma acceptability, treatment 3 got the highest mean score of 8.12 classified as light very much. It indicates that they favor treatment 3 in according to aroma. According to the respondents, they smell the sargassum content on treatment 3, while the two treatments, they don't smell the sargassum content on it. For appearance, treatment 1 and treatment 2 both have a mean score of 8.24 classified as light extremely. It indicates that they don't have a significant difference in terms of the appearance, while treatment 3 got the least mean score of 7.16 classified as light very much. It indicates that it is still acceptable, but as to the comments of our respondents, they don't like the appearance of, they don't like that much the appearance of treatment 3. So it indicates that yung